how to see all databases on Notion. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to view all your databases in Notion. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, head over to www.notion.so and log in. Once you're on your Notion homepage, all your workspaces and pages will be neatly organized. To begin, look at the sidebar and click the plus icon. This lets you add new content like databases. Now, type /table in the command box that pops up. This will show database options. Select Table View from the list. Here, you'll see an option to link an existing database or create a new one. Click Link Existing Database. And that's it, you'll now see a full list of all your databases in Notion. You can scroll through and access any of them from here. It's super handy for managing projects or documents in one place. That's all for the video.